Hello friends, how are you? This is Vishal sir here. This is day one, four-digit numbers. In this session, we are going to learn numbers. Let's start. Here we go. Let me draw one box. Okay. So this is singles. We are, drawing boxes here, and you have to count these boxes. Okay. So, okay, how many boxes are there? This is single box one, this is two, and this is third box. Okay, so how many boxes are there in total? Three ones. Okay, so these are the boxes one, two, and three. Let me draw more boxes for you. Okay, so this time I'm going to draw boxes vertically. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, and 10. How many boxes are there? These are C. One, 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 one. Okay, these are ones. Okay, so if we group together 10 ones, okay, all right, so it becomes 110. Okay, so we can write it here 10 ones. 10 ones is 110. Do you understand? All right. So let me draw more. Okay. So this time I'm going to, okay. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 10 ones means this is 110. Okay. Likewise, I can draw. Okay. Likewise, I can draw. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this is another 10. How many tens are there? Okay, how many tens are there? This one ten and this one ten. So that means it makes how many tens? Two tens. Okay, how many tens are there? Two tens. And if I have, you know, few boxes here, okay, how many ones are there? Count it. One. Okay. How many ones are there? One box here, and one box here. Together, it is three ones. Okay. So, three ones. So, how do you calculate? Okay. Two tens plus three ones. So, two tens means how many ones? See, two tens means 2 into 10. Okay. And these three ones. Okay. 2 tens is 2 tens are 20. Okay. So 2 tens are 20 plus 3. Okay. 3 ones. Okay. So 20 plus 3. How many? 20 plus 3 is 23 ones. Okay. So this is numbers represented with the boxes. Okay, how do you calculate? Okay, how do you find it? So this is 110, 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 ones, and 21, 22, and 23. Let me help you one more time. Okay, let me clear the page. All right. So now you have to find how many boxes are there. So I am going to draw one straight line in here. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then another line in here. Okay. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 boxes here. And this, okay, it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And I'm going to draw a few more boxes here. Okay, now you have to count it. Okay, let me help you to count it. This is 110. Okay, this is 110. This is another 10. This is another 10. How many tens are there? Okay, 10 means this. See, these are 10 ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So, 110, okay, plus, okay, this 110 plus this 110, how many total? Okay, 3 tens. Okay, so we have 3 tens. Okay, this 110, 2 and 3. Okay, this 110, 2 and these 3 tens. Okay, plus how many ones are there? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many ones are there? 5 ones are there. Okay, so 3 tens are how many ones? 3 into 10 plus, this is already ones. Okay, now let's do it. 3 tens are 30. Okay, 3 tens are 30 plus 5 ones. Okay, so 30 plus 5, you have to do it. Okay, 30 plus 5, you have to count from 30. Okay, next 5. So 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Look at it. So this is 30 10. Okay, these are like 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So we got 35 ones. Okay, so let me help you with the one more example. Let me clear the page. Okay, so let's draw. Okay, let's not draw the boxes. Okay, let me help you with this question. Okay, we got 4 tens. Okay, plus 1 ones. Okay, so how many? Yes, so 4 tens, which is 40. Okay, and this is 1. So 40 plus 1 is 41. You understand? So let me give you another example. This is 2 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 2 tens means 2 into 10 plus 3 is equal to 2 tens are how much? 2 tens are 20. Okay, plus this 3 Okay, which is 20 plus 3 is 23. How do you do 20 plus 3? You write 20 and write 3. Okay, all right. Now you do addition. Okay, so 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. Then there is no carry here. So now you do 2 plus 0, which is 2. So what is this number? 23. Do you understand? What is this number? 23. Okay, let's take another example. Now we'll take another example, which is 5 times 3 ones. Okay, so 5 times. Okay, 5 and tens means 1 0 multiply by 10. This is 5 times. Okay, 5 into 10 plus 3 ones. Okay, let's solve this. 5 into 10, 5 tens are 50. Okay, plus 3. All right, is equal to 50 plus 3. You don't know how to do it. Okay, you write the numbers 50 on paper and 3, it's a single digit number. So you write it below 0. Okay, and there is no number here. So write 0. When there is nothing, it means 0. Okay, now 0 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3. So 0 plus 3 means it is same number. 5 plus 0, it means also same number. So we got the answer 53 ones. Okay. All right. Let's talk about one. Okay. 100s. Okay. So let's understand. Let's clear this page. So what we have now, see, if we really understand this tens part, now we can learn hundreds. Okay, so hundreds are means, see, we got this square box and in this we have, okay, 10 tens, meaning we have 100 boxes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6, this is 7. Okay, let me extend this one. Actually, this takes time. Okay. Okay, look at it. So how many are there? Let me count it. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. So basically we have 10 by 10. Okay. So look at here. If you count these all boxes, okay, like this row, okay, we have 10 ones. This row, we have 10 ones. Again for this row, 10 ones. Okay. So likewise, we have for all the rows 10 ones. Okay. So these are total, you know, these are total 10 tens. Okay, 10 tens means 10 into 10, which is 100 ones. Okay, which is 100 ones. All right. So, likewise, we can draw, small boxes now. Okay, let me clear this page. Now, I'm not going to draw the smaller lines inside. So you can assume this is, like 100. Okay, and this is another box means this is another 100. Okay, we got how many boxes? Look at here. See, we got one, this is two, and this is three. So we got basically, you know, three, 300. Okay, so basically we got 300, meaning see 300. Okay, this is also can be written, okay, like 30 tens. Okay, all right. So now let's solve the next problem. Okay, let's say, let me clear the page. We got, so this is 100, okay, one box, another 100, this is another 100. So you have to tell me how many boxes are there, okay? So this is like, so each box is like having 100, okay, ones. So this is also 100 ones. This is like another 100. This is like another 100, okay? Okay, so how many boxes are there? You count one, two, three, four, 5, and 6. That means we have 600. Okay. So which also means you can write this like 60 tens. Okay. And 600 means how many ones? See, 600 ones. Okay. Let's let's learn the next part. Write the numerals for the number names. Okay. So let me just, type the question in here. Write the numerals for the number names. So the numbers are, okay. So this is the question. A 442. Okay. 442. Let me decrease the font size a little bit bigger. Okay. So 442. How do you write it? Okay. The next question is, let me write down all the questions first. 602. Okay. Then next question. Next question is 130. Let me give spaces in here. Okay. Okay. So the next question is 275. 275. Okay. So let's solve these questions. Okay. Here we go. So 442. Okay. So let me write down first like this. Okay. How do you solve this? Okay. Question. So we need to write here on top like ones, tens, and 100. H stands for 100. Okay. Look at here. We got 100 what? 4. Okay. So in the H, you write 4. Okay. Right? In the H, you write 4. And 42. Okay. So 42, you write it here. Okay. This is 442. Now let's talk about 602. Okay. So, we have 600. So write down 6 in H. Okay. And then 2. Okay. We don't have any tens place here. Okay. We just have 2. So we can write it in ones, 2. And tens place will be 0. Now 130. Okay. 130. So we got 1 in 100. Okay. So write down 1. Okay. And 30. So 1, 3. And now 275. So in 100, we have to write 2 and 75. 7, 5. So these are like number names for numerals. Okay. Then we can write the number names for the numerals. Okay. So let's, write the numerals. Let's say this is the number 300. Okay. 82. How do you write it? So first, you write ones, tens, and 100, on top. So how do you write these? See, 300. Okay. So we write here 3. Okay. 100. Okay. And 82. Right. So we need to write it in spellings. Okay. So I just wanted to make you understand. Okay. Okay. So here we can write, like 3. Okay. 300. 80. EIGHTY and 2. TWO2. Okay. Let's take another example. 817. Okay. So how do you write it? See, 800. Okay. 817. So it's SEVENTEEN 17. Okay. All right. So let's clear the page. Go to the next part. Okay, now we need to write the short forms. Okay, short forms of the following. So let me write it here, the question. Okay, let me make it bigger. Short forms of the following. Sorry, short form of the following. So Let me type the question in here. Let me select the, okay, write down all the questions one by one. Okay, so the first question is 200 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. Okay, we need to find the answer for this. Okay, then there is 700 plus 6 months. Okay, we need to find the answer for this. Then 500 plus 5 tens plus 5 ones. Then, okay, 900. Only this much. Okay, so let's solve this problem now. Okay, so 200. Okay, first look at here. This is 200. Okay, we are solving this problem statement. 200. Okay, so write down, like, okay, first we will write here ones, tens, and hundred. Okay, so we got 2 in 100. Okay, so we'll write 2 in 100. Okay, 4 in tens. Okay, so in tens we write 4 and 3 in ones. Okay, so we'll write 3 here. Okay, likewise we can do solve this problem. So we got 7 in hundreds. Okay, so in H we will write 7. We got 6 in ones. So we'll write 6 in ones. We don't have tens, so we'll write 0. Now we'll solve this problem. 5 hundreds, So we have to write 5 in H. We have 5 tens. So in T means tens. We have to write 5 in tens. We have 5 in ones. So we'll write 5 in ones. Okay, column. So we have H column. We have tens column. Okay, so we are writing for that. 900. Now tell me. Okay, we have 900. Okay, so we have to write 9 in H. Okay, but we don't have tens, so we'll write 0. We don't have ones, 0. Okay, do you understand? And there is one more problem, which is 400s. Okay, which is 400s plus 110. Okay, so again, what we have to do, okay, for this, okay, 4 in hundreds and 1 in 10, okay, and then we don't have 1, so we'll write 0. I hope you understand. Let's solve the next problem. Okay, let me write the question in here. Okay, so which is write expanded form of the following. Okay, write the expanded form of the following. So let me write the question. The first question is 124. Okay, we'll write A here. Okay, 124. So you have to, write the expanded form for this. Okay, like this is plus, then another. Okay, this is for tens. This is for ones. Okay, so this is like, we need to write 488 in the expanded form. Okay, so I'll do copy paste this. Okay, okay, look at here. All right, and then third problem, 970. Okay, let's do copy paste. Okay, here we go. And then the fourth problem is 600. Okay, let's do copy paste and E. Next is 507. Okay, you need to, create the expanded form. Write the expanded form. Okay, so let me create lines in between. Okay, now you need to solve this problem. Okay, let me help you to solve the problem. Okay, here we go. I'll help you to solve this problem now. Focus. See, this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Okay, so this will be 100. We got 100, right? So one we have to write it here. Okay, then two you have to write it in here. Okay, and the four you have to write it in here. Okay, so the first you write one in here. Okay, 100. Okay, so two zeros. All right, this is two tens. Two tens means 20. Okay, and four ones. Let me help you understand quickly how you can solve this problem. Let's say I have a number 358 and I have to write the expanded form. Okay, so first number, you check this number, which is 3. So you write 3 here. How many numbers are next to 3? See, you have to count how many numbers are there next to 3. So we got, see, 1 and 2. That means you have to write two zeros. Plus, now we'll write 5. Okay, so I'm going to write 5 here. How many numbers are next to 5? Only one number. So we'll write 10 plus. Okay, now we have to write 8. Okay, now we don't have any numbers after 8. So I'm not going to put any 0. Okay, so likewise. So you first put 4 here. Okay, so how many digits are there after 4? We have two digits. Look at here. So we'll write 20. Okay, now we'll write 8 here. Okay, so how many numbers are there after 8? This 8 we have, okay, 1. So we will put 10 in here and this 8 at this place. Okay, remember. So if it is 100, okay, see. Now this 9 is at place 100. Okay. So the place value for 9 will be, see, 900. And the place value for 1 will be 1 is T. Okay. So now what we'll do, see, we'll write here 10. And the place value for 7 is only 7. Okay. Now look at this problem. 6, I'm going to write 6. Now 6, the place value is, 600. Okay. Now you have to write C 0 here. Okay. And you have to write one more 0 here. Okay. So 600 plus 0 plus 0. And this, you have to write 5 here. Okay. Because 5 is in place 100. So we put 20. 0 is at position 10. Okay, 0 has no value, so we'll put 0. And 7, okay, we will put 7 here. Okay, let me take another example. It's a 726. Okay, so let's understand this in detail. So write here ones, tens, and 100. Okay, so how do you write 7? Look at here. So first, let me help you with this one. Okay, so the 6. Okay, so 6, we'll write it here like this. Okay, 2. So 2 is 2020. Okay, and 7 is 700. Okay, so let me help you with the more examples. Look at here. I have another number 529. Okay, so what will you do? First you check. Okay, 5 is in place like 100. Okay, this 2 is in place tens and this is ones. Okay, so what you do, how do you write it? So first you write the number 5. Okay, this 5 here. Okay, and it is in place 100. So how many zeros you are going to put? Two zeros plus two tens. Okay, two tens. Tens means you have to put 10. 9 ones, no zero. You have to write only number 9. Okay, So this you can, okay, rewrite like this also, okay, like 500, okay, plus 20 plus 9. If you do addition, you should get the same number, 0, 0, 9. Addition 9. 0 plus C, 0 plus 2, 2. And 5, here we don't have anything, means it's a 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. See, we got the same number here. Do you see? That means our expanded form is correct. Let's solve another problem, okay? Which should be like 8, 3, and 2. Okay, so write down ones, tens, and hundreds. So 8 is in place 100. Okay, so the place value will be, let me write it, 8, 0, 0. Right? The place value for the 8 is 8, 0, 0, plus place value for 3. 3 is in place tens, so it will be 3, 0, plus 2 is in place here once, so it is 832. If you do addition, how do you perform addition? Just write down the numbers, okay, okay, one below each other. All right, let's do addition. 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. Look at here, we got the same number as in here. Do you see? Let me help you with the one more problem. Okay, here we go. So now we are going to take another number which is 457. Okay, so write down the ones, tens, and 100 on top. So see, look at here, 400, right? So let me help you to quickly understand this. So 4 and it is in place 100. So I'm going to write here 100. Okay, plus 5 tens, right? So let me write 5 tens. And then ones, 7 ones, right? So plus 7, okay, plus 7 ones, right? So now 400. 400 means 400. 5 times means, see, 50. Okay. And 7 1 means 7. Understand? So which is, now you do addition. You don't have to do addition. In your exam, you have to just do this much. 400 plus 50 plus 7. This is expanded form for, this number. All right. So this is your question. Okay. And this is your answer. Let me help you. Okay. In the exam, how you can solve the problem. This is 200 and, okay. Let's say 205. Okay. In the exam, how do you solve this? Okay. See, there will be, you know, 3 places. Okay. You need to put values. All right. So in the first place, you put 2. Okay, look at here. In here, you put 2. And 2, you have what? Written on top? H. So, which means it is 20 you have to add. So, this is already 0. So, you will put 0 in here. Okay. And this is 5 ones. So, that means you have to put, see, that means you have to write, 5 in here. Okay. So, this is the expanded form. Do you understand? Let me take one more example. See, 341. Okay, how do you solve this? Okay, equal to, first you have to, do, okay, like fill in the blanks in here. Okay, so first place, this one here, we have to write 3 and it is 100. Okay, so 300 means 300. 4 tens meaning 40. And 1 ones means 1. Do you understand? So this is the expanded form. Now tell me which number is greater and which number is smaller. We need to use the symbol for this. Okay. So the question will be, try to understand first questions. Okay. You try to read the question in the exam first. Okay. All right. So the question is, fill in with the correct symbol. Okay, you have to use less than sign, greater than sign, or you have to use equal sign. Okay, so the question will be, like 613, and here you have to, there is a spacing here, you have to, this is another number. Okay, then there is another number 199. Okay, and in here another number is given 789. This is 100. Okay, and now this is given 900. Okay, then this is 572. Okay, and here 752. Okay, then there is next number 344, and then 344. Okay, we have to solve this problem. Okay, let's do it together. What we have to do in here, check. See, we need to put in here proper signs. Okay, so this is less than, this is greater than, okay, and this is equal to. Let me write it here. This is less than, okay, and this is greater than, okay, and this is equal to. Okay, so let's put the signs. Okay, how do you find the greater number? Look at the places here. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Okay, this is 100 place, this is tens, and this is ones. Check the numbers from the right side. Okay, left side here. This is 6 and this is 2. Okay, so which one is greater? Which one is greater? Tell me. Look at here. This is 6 and this is 2. Okay, so 6 is greater than 2, right? So 6 is greater than 2. So that's why we use this sign. Okay, now look at here. This is 1 and this is 7. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. Okay, so we use, okay, wherever the greater number is, we have to use these signs. See. All right. So now let's understand. So this is 1 and this is 9. Okay. So 1 is smaller than 9. So we use less than sign. Okay. This one. Okay. See, 900 is bigger. Okay. And 100 is smaller. Okay. So that's why we use this sign. Now look at here. This is 5 and this is 7. Now which one is bigger number? Okay, greater number is 7, right? So we will use, this sign. If this number is bigger, so look at here. If the first number is bigger, okay, we use greater sign. If the first number is, smaller, okay, then we use less than sign. Okay, now look at here. This is 3, this is also 3, this is 4, this is also 4, this is 4 again. So all values are same. So we'll use equal to. Okay. So let me help you one more with the one more problem. Okay. Let me clear the page. See, we have 5, 3, 2, and here another number 4, 50. Okay. Check the first number. Okay. This is 100 place. This is tens place. This is ones place. Again, this is 100 place. This is tens place and ones place. So check the first number. Here we have 5 and here we have 4. Okay, that means this number is greater number. Okay, because 5 is greater than 4. So, make sure, we have, okay, this sign. Okay, like this number, first number is greater, right? So we use this sign, okay? All right. So consider this is crocodile's mouth, okay? So let me draw a diagram, okay? See, crocodile's mouth is like this. So this is crocodile's mouth, okay? And let me draw crocodile here, okay? So look at here, this is crocodile, right? Okay. So this is crocodile. Okay. So crocodile is always, pointing to greater number. Okay. As because this number is greater, crocodile's, mouth will be, towards the greater number. Okay. So let me help you with the another number. All right. So which is 600. Okay. And here we have 700. Okay, so let me write this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, and this is ones, this is 10, this is 100. Okay, now check the first number. This is 6 and this is 7. Okay, so 7 is greater. So this is the greater number. Now crocodile will be, see, crocodile, it is going to eat the greater number. Okay, so we can draw like this. So crocodiles, okay, let me draw a diagram. See, crocodile is, now going to eat the bigger number. Okay, so this should help you. Okay, so look at here. This is crocodile. Okay, so crocodile always eats the bigger number. Okay. So you have to use this sign. Okay. Towards greater. Wherever is the greater number, you have to use that sign. Let me help you with another number. Let's say this is 500 and this is 200. Write down ones, tens, and 100 on top. Ones, tens, and 100 here. So check the first number. This is 5 and this is 2. Tell me which number is greater between 5 and 2. See, this is 5 and this is 2. So which is greater? 5 is greater number, right? So wherever there is a greater number, crocodile's face is towards that number. So this is greater sign. Crocodile is going to eat this one. Okay. So this is the crocodile. Okay. All right. Do you understand? So if this is a greater number, crocodile is going to eat this. And if this is the greater number, crocodile is going to eat this number. Do you understand now? Greater number and smaller number. Okay. So this number is called greater number. Okay, greater sign, and this is called less than sign. Do you understand? Okay, so that's it for today's session. We'll see the new concept, new tricks in the next session. Thank you for joining session. Have a nice day.